Hey everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have a mini cleaning video for you guys today. I'm going to be sharing with you how to clean a microfiber couch. We have a microfiber couch that we've had now for probably 11 years, 12 years, and I feel like it looks pretty good. Like it looks brand new. A lot of microfiber couches are really a struggle to clean because pretty much anything you use to clean them is going to leave a ring around it because it's not the right type of liquid to use to clean a microfiber couch. So I figured this out a couple years ago. I've actually shared it in a previous video, but I wanted to share it with you guys again because it really is a game changer. Now I don't freak out whenever something gets spilled on the couch or whenever Bean makes a mess on the couch or Loki drools on the couch. I don't worry about it anymore because it's really easy and cheap for me to clean up. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So make sure if you have microfiber furniture in your house, whether that be a couch or a chair or snack bar chairs or anything like that, make sure that you stay tuned because you're going to want to see this video. Before I get into it though, I wanted to remind you guys that the Grove Collaborative free offer is still going on. The offer that they had in March is still available in April, which is a really big deal because it's the Mrs. Meyer's limited edition spring scents gift set that you're going to get for free if you're a new Grove Collaborative customer and you place an order of $20 or more. You're going to get the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray, the dish soap, the hand soap. You're also going to get the walnut scrubbers and the Bubble Up dish brush, which is the first time they've ever offered that as part of a free gift when I've been working with Grove. So I can't say enough good things about Grove Collaborative, their website, their customer service, the products that they offer, and everybody goes crazy for the Mrs. Meyer's limited edition scents. So for spring, they have mint, lilac, and peony. I got one of each this year because I wasn't really sure which one I liked. I wish now that I had gotten all of the lilac because that's my personal favorite, but I know a lot of people love the mint and a lot of people love the peony. I just really love the lilac because it is so bright and flowery. So make sure if you've never purchased anything from Grove Collaborative and you want to get that big gift set for free with your first purchase, make sure you check out the description box. I have my link for you that you can use and it will take you to the Grove website. You can get whatever you need, $20 or more. And then you'll get your free gift set in the mail. And you can pick and choose like I did. You can get one product in each scent if you want while supplies last. So make sure you take advantage of that. I do get what I'm going to share with you that I clean my couch with. I do get that product from Grove Collaborative. You can get it at Target and other places too, but I usually just pick it up at Grove whenever I'm making my order. It's a game changer. It's a life changer. So if you want to see that product that I use to clean my microfiber couch and how I do it really quickly and easily, then stay tuned. So the first thing I do when I'm going to clean my couch is vacuum it really well. And of course, ignore my outfit. You know, a lot of people on YouTube will clean in these cute little outfits and workout clothes. Not me. These are just some frumpy blue pants and a mismatched blue shirt that I wear around the house when I'm cleaning, but it's comfortable and I can move in it and it doesn't matter if it's not cute, right? So anyway, that is my cleaning attire for the day, but I just vacuumed the couch really well with this attachment that came with our vacuum. You guys who have said that my house is perfectly clean will see that under the cushions will prove you wrong. There are crumbs and all kinds of stuff. So now it's the secret to cleaning the microfiber couch is the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. You can use Windex if you want. I don't use Windex in my house because of the ammonia, but this works really well. I get mine from Grove Collaborative. I believe you can also get it at Target. And basically I use this super fancy potato brush from the Dollar Tree. So I just saturate any stains that I see and then rub it in all different directions with the potato vegetable brush. Super fancy schmancy, I know, but hey, it works. So that is what I do as I'm going around vacuuming. I just will spot treat any stains that I see after I vacuum the cushion. That's pretty much it. I mean, it works really well. It's really inexpensive. I was having my couch professionally cleaned. It was costing over $100 every time they came, and even they couldn't get out some of the stains. So this definitely works just as well in my experience as any professional cleaning we've ever gotten. So that's how I clean my microfiber couch. So it could work if you have a couch or a chair or, chairs in your kitchen, dining room chairs, which I know get particularly dirty because obviously you're eating. We eat a lot in the living room, so that's why we have so many crumbs. So just try it out next time. Maybe try it on a small spot before you coat your whole couch with this just in case. But it's never caused any problems for me. And just make sure when you're using the brush, you don't want one that is too stiff. You certainly don't want one that has metal bristles. And you want to make sure that when you're rubbing with the brush that you go in different directions. So, microfiber tends to have a little bit of a nap. to it, and you want to kind of go in different directions so you're not wearing out all in one direction. That little spot there is actually syrup, so that's going to be my first time trying to get syrup out with this method, but I'm going to give it a whirl and see if it works. But basically it takes a few hours to dry. I just turned the fan on, and then this is what it looks like when it's all done. There were quite a few stains, especially on the big cushion that I had to get out. And I think they came out really nicely, really easy and quick, and it works really, really well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have a microfiber couch, if you struggled to be able to get it clean, and make sure you subscribe and you hit the little bell next to it so you'll be notified every single time I upload new videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.